Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MAC address reservation for smart home reliability. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of activating MAC address reservation, you will first need to access your router's settings. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in your router's IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1, 192.168.0.1, or a similar variation. Press the Enter key to load the router's login page. Enter your username and password when prompted. If you haven't changed these from their defaults, consult the router's user manual for the original credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section typically labeled DHCP or LAN settings. Look for an option that mentions MAC address reservation or static IP assignment. Click on this option to proceed. You may see a list of devices currently connected to your network along with their MAC addresses. Identify the smart home device for which you want to reserve the MAC address. If the device is not listed, ensure it is powered on and connected to your network. Next, locate the MAC address of your device, which may be printed on the device itself or found in the device's app settings. Once you have the MAC address, return to the router's MAC address reservation section. Enter the MAC address in the designated field. Choose an IP address you want to assign to the device, making sure it's within the DHCP range but not already in use. You may also be asked to provide a host name for easier identification. Review all entries to ensure correctness before proceeding. After confirming, locate the Save or Apply button and click it to save your changes. Your router may then require a reboot for the changes to take effect. Wait a few moments for the router to restart and re-establish all connections. Now, check your smart home device to verify it retains the new static IP address. To do this, access the network settings of your smart home device. Confirm that the assigned IP address matches what you input into the router. Congratulations! You have successfully activated MAC address reservation for your smart home device to ensure reliable connectivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.